If you're stuck in a job you hate, making the same money every month, struggling to get by, or you're just looking for a way out, this might be the most important video you watch today. My name is Haeri, and a few years ago, I was in the same position. I had just quit my 100K a year plus job, tried my first business and failed, then gambled my savings on crypto and NFTs thinking I could get rich quick. I did get lucky, made over $750,000 in gains, but basically lost it all overnight when the bear market hit. That loss was the wake-up call I needed because it taught me that you don't make money unless you become the person worth making money. So I stopped playing video games. I stopped going out. I started working out, and I looked for a real business I believed could work long term. That's when I found remote cleaning. I researched viable markets, I onboarded independent contractor cleaners, and I secured my first gig for over $250, and within 6 months hit over 30K plus per month. Today, my remote cleaning business does over $40,000 per month, and I'm gonna show you the laziest way to find your first 5 clients. No complicated systems, no expensive tools, just exactly what you need to do in the next 2 hours to go from idea to open for business. Now, when I say lazy, I don't mean sitting on your couch and doing nothing. I mean working smart instead of working hard. Here's what I see most people do when they start a cleaning business. They try the hustle approach. They spend hours cold calling random people, posting every day on social media, trying to be everywhere at once, burning themselves out before they even get their first client. That's not lazy. That's stupid. The smart lazy approach is actually focusing on the highest return activities that require the least amount of time and energy but give you the best results. So here's the reality. When you're working a full-time job, you don't have 5 hours a day to hustle. You're already tired, you're already stressed. You need methods that work in 30 minutes to an hour max. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. 3 methods that require almost no time, almost no energy, but consistently get results. These are the same methods my students use. Sarah hit 10K in 30 days using these strategies. Mike hit 10K in 23 days. They didn't hustle for 80 hours a week, right? They worked smart. By the way, before we get into the 3 ways to get your first 5 cleaning clients, if you want to work with me and my team on a one-on-one basis to build your own income replacement plan with a remote cleaning business in 120 days or less, click the first link in the description below. First, let me define what a warm market is because most people will get this wrong. These are people in your existing network, friends, families, former coworkers, neighbors, gym buddies, people from your church, community groups, old college friends, anyone you've had a conversation with really in the past year. They already know you, they already trust you, which makes them the perfect starting point because you don't need to build credibility from scratch. But here's the key. You're not asking them to hire you directly. You're asking them if they know anyone who might need cleaning help. This works because people you already know trust you, so they're the easiest path to your first clients with 0 extra effort in building credibility. So here's my exact process that I would tell you to do. Make a list of 50 people. You don't have to make it multi-hundred. Make it a decent amount. Then send them a simple text asking if they know anyone who needs cleaning. Here's the exact message template. Hey, name, I just started a cleaning business. Know anyone who could use help? I'm offering special rates as we get started here. That's it. Simple, no pressure. If you wanted to, you can add a personalized message so it doesn't seem like you're spam texting them. Here's why this is lazy. You're asking for referrals, not direct pitching, right? You're texting, you're not calling. And you only need to do this a few times to get your first client. The execution is simple, right? You're sending 5 to 10 texts out during your lunch, during your work break, another 5 when you get home. Repeat for a whole week. That's it. And your results is if you send 50 to 100 of these, you should have 2 to 3 people who either hire you themselves or connect you with someone who will. Once you have these initial clients, you can use their location to get more clients in the same area without doing any outreach. Again, here's the simple strategy. You're going to want to print 100 door hangers for a few $100s total and put them on the doors in the same neighborhood that you service the clients, mentioning you already cleaned for someone on their street. So here's what to put on the door hanger. Now cleaning homes on, street name, special intro rates for neighbors, text your business number. Again, this is lazy because you only do this one time, one morning for 1 hour, and then you're done. No follow-up required, and people will text you if they're interested. The psychology is very simple, right? Neighbors trust other neighbors. When you mention you work nearby, it creates instant credibility without you having to do anything. The expected results of this, if you send out about 200, like we mentioned before, you're typically gonna have 3 to 5 people who are interested and 2 to 3 people become customers. This comes from only doing a couple hours of work. Now, another method is through local community groups that are full of people who already need need services, and posting almost takes no time in 2025. So here's the lazy approach. Don't join 20 groups and post spam everywhere. Find 3 to 5 small, active local community groups where your ideal customer hangs out. Neighborhood groups, mom groups, homeowner groups, business groups. To do this without being salesy, I would engage with a couple posts first so people start to see your name. You should comment under active posts. Does not need to be about cleaning, and find the most active community members. Once you find these active community members, you're going to want to reach out to them directly. You're going to want to build rapport and eventually pitch them a special offer because they are part of that group. Once you've pitched that offer, you're going to be able to get some initial sales by people who will then leave testimonial reviews in those Facebook local groups, which is a huge growth mechanism organically. So again, it's really simple. This is only texting. You don't even really need a call. You can do this during any free time you have and just build up a few leads every single day by doing this. This is lazy because you'll have 5 to 10 conversations you start every day. Then those people who eventually will need those services will agree in the DMs with you directly. The expected result of this, if you're doing this for about 1 hour a day, you could probably get a few clients each and every week by doing this strategy. These 3 methods work even if you're super busy with work, tired, or burnt out, because they really require minimal time. Each of these things are less than 2 hours total, minimal mental energy with no complex strategies, and they give you quick wins that build momentum. When you're working a full-time job, the last thing you want is another full-time job trying to get clients. You want methods that work while you sleep, while you're at work, and while you're living your life. That's exactly what these do. You text 50 people at once, you put out door hangers once, you post in Facebook groups and have conversations a few times a week, then you wait for people to contact you. And here's the compound effect. Once you get these first 5 clients using these methods, you can start getting referrals from them without doing any additional outreach. My student John got his first 3 clients using method 1. Then those clients referred 5 more within 60 days. He never had to do any other marketing because his clients became his marketing system and his team was able to do such a great job. The beauty of starting lazy is that it forces you to focus on what actually works instead of getting caught up with the busy work that doesn't generate results. The laziest way to get your first 5 clients is to text people in your warm market, leverage your first clients' neighborhoods with simple door hangers, and post on online communities a few times per week and have conversations there. Now, if you want my complete system for building a remote cleaning business from $0 to $10,000 per month in 120 days or less while working your full-time job, click the first link to learn more. I'll see you on the next video.